Hey guys, so today we are fabricating a rock slider for my brother's Jeep, a WJ. It's the Cherokee, Grand Cherokee. I don't know. It's a Jeep, and so he has this awesome idea on fabricating a rock slider. We're going to be using 2x6 square tubes to build a rock slider for him. And yeah,
the noise.
Yep. So if you are interested in this episode, come along with us. Let's have some fun. So you can see the black outline right there. He's cutting into his rocker panel. So he's cutting into his rocker panel, and he is. After that, we're going to be working inside the rocker panel to make room. I told him I didn't like the idea of cutting the rocker panel, but that's his idea, it's his cut. Okay, so my brother finished chopping off this side of the rocker panel, and there it is. It just comes off like that. So I'll show you what he did to the other side. This is what he did to the other side. Look at that. Fun time. Okay. Here, it's got foam injection in there, so he's taking out the foam. Look at that.
This is to prevent rat nests.
Yeah. I'm just amazed that there's not a mouse nest in there.
Yeah.
All right, YouTube. Okay, YouTube. So this is what's going down. Since we got the rocker panel chopped off. My brother's bending out this metal the other way so that we can make more room. So yeah, you can tell he's having fun. There you go. See, he's all nothing but smiles right now.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll report to you back. He's gonna do the other side too. Okay guys, so this is what we're doing. We've measured my brother's car on the side where the rocker panel that was that we cut. It came about to about 5 feet right here, 60 inch. So we bent a tube, basically on a rock slider, like that. And our plan is to cut this part and cut that part that we marked, and that's how it looks like. Yeah, you like that? Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like. So we're gonna cut this this tube right here so that we can do our stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. Good?
Uh-huh.
Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna tack this a little bit. We've prepped the square tube here, and we've already prepped the round tube here. So we're gonna tack it in. Tomorrow we'll wake up to see how disastrous it is, but hopefully it'll be good. All right. Whoa! Oh, that's good. Okay, and let me do
One more.
a couple more. Maybe up in the front here. Oh, no wonder. Sounds like crap.
Gas.
No gas.
Yeah, looks like shit.
Yeah, it does. Okay. Mm-hmm. There you go. Sounds better. Okay. So. Okay, so we're good. And we'll call it a day.
Nice and tight.
Yeah, and then basically tomorrow we're gonna have to build a little bar here and a little bar here for support. You know, so when it hits the rock, it doesn't go cling.
Bend.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Maybe maybe I may do a square tubing on mine like that.
Yeah, I told you it's easier.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so this is how it looks like. This is my bro's car, and yeah, it looks badass. Look at that. I'll be honest with you. I think it looks badass.
Yeah, it looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. We cleared 3 inches, additional 3 inches, bro.
Yeah.